What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. And remember, her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. There are many who would lower her standard, and they watch every move that she makes. They just want to find fault with her teaching. Though they search, they can't find no mistake. She is spreading her wings for a journey. She is going to leave by and by. And when the trumpet shall sound in the morning, she will rise and go up in the sky. Well, I'm glad that I've learned of her meekness, and I'm proud that my name is on her book. For I want to be one never fearing the face of my Savior to look. And when he comes in the clouds in the morning, and his voice around the earth shall be heard, oh, I want to be ready to meet him and go up on that great speckled bird.